All right, y'all, we need to talk about something big, and I mean Texas big. For the first time in years, Austin, yes, Austin, frickin' Texas, is officially a buyer's market. Now, I know what you're thinking. Jeff, what the heck does that even mean? Are houses finally affordable again? And are you just clickbaiting me? Stay with me. I promise you'll walk away knowing exactly what's happening, who's winning, and how to actually take advantage of this market before it flips again. See, a buyer's market just means that there are more homes for sale than there are buyers to buy them. According to Redfin, Austin now has roughly 130% more sellers than buyers. So, yeah, if you're looking to buy, it's kind of like walking into HEB at 9 a.m. on a Tuesday. Shelves are full. Nobody's fighting you for the last pack of tortillas. All right, so how did we go from bidding wars and 100K over asking madness to sellers chasing buyers like it's cuffing season? Couple things. First, interest rates. We were up in the sevens for a minute, right? Buyers tapped out, said, nah, I'm good. But now they've stabilized around 6.19%, which sounds high if you only remember in 2021. But historically, that's not crazy. Second, builders overbuilt. We had cranes everywhere. Leander, Hutto, Pflugerville, you name it. At one point, Austin was adding homes faster than Bucky's adds gas pumps. Now those same builders, they're sitting on inventory like, anyone still want granite countertops? Third, migration cooled. California stopped sending us half their zip codes. Remote work slowed. Affordability took a hit. And suddenly, those $1 million East Austin bungalows started to feel a little spicy for the average buyer. So between higher rates, more listings, and fewer incoming buyers, boom, power shifted. Let's talk real numbers. Right now, homes in Austin are staying on the market an average of 89 days. That's up from about 30 back in 2022. Inventory up more than rather 40%, and prices down about 9% year over year. So what does that actually mean for you? If you're buying, it means you've got leverage. You can negotiate again. You can ask for concessions, repairs, rate buy downs, closing costs, things that were basically illegal 2 years ago. If you're selling, it means you've got competition. You can't just throw your house on Zillow, post 3 iPhone pics, and expect a bidding war before lunch. You've got to price smart, stage well, and actually market that thing. All right, buyers, listen up. This is your comeback season. You don't need to rush, you need to negotiate. Step one, get pre approved early. Lenders are finally fighting for your business again. You can shop rates, ask about incentives. Heck, some builders are offering 5.5% if you use their in house lender. That's free money in today's world. Step two, don't skip inspections. When there were 12 offers on a house, people were like, I'll risk it. Not anymore. Get the inspection. Use it for leverage. Hey, Mr. Seller, this AC is from the Obama administration. Knock $5,000 off. Step three, be bold, but smart. Yes, you can offer under asking, but don't be disrespectful. If it's a good house priced right, come in fair and ask for credits instead. Win-win. Now, sellers, take a deep breath. You had a good run, okay? 2021 and 2022 were wild. You could have listed a shoebox and someone would have offered 50K over asking and written you a love letter. But that market's gone. Now, you've got to earn these offers again. That means price smart. Look at real comps, not wishful thinking. Stage it, clean it, maybe even slap some fresh paint. Buyers notice. And most importantly, be responsive. When a buyer makes an offer, don't play hard to get. The days of, we'll wait till Monday to review are over. Monday might not call back. Look, a well-priced home still sells fast, but a cocky price tag, that'll sit longer than a Tesla at a broken charger. And for my investors and wholesalers out there, y'all already see what time it is. Motivated sellers equals opportunity. Inventory rising equals negotiation power. Everyone else is scared? Perfect. That's when the smart money eats. We're locking up properties 10 to 15% below market value again, something we haven't seen since before COVID. But remember, you still gotta underwrite tight. Repairs cost more, holding costs add up. Just because it's cheap doesn't mean it's a deal. Now, some quick local hits. 78704 South Austin, still hot. Prices holding, but inventory up. Great for move-up buyers. Pflugerville and Hutto, seeing builder incentives like crazy. That's where you negotiate. Round Rock, more balanced. Still strong schools equals steady demand. Buda and Kyle, a lot of price drops. So if you're patient, you'll find gems. Every zip's telling its own story, so don't just listen to national headlines. Austin's market is its own animal. Here's the deal, and I want you to really hear this. The Austin market didn't crash, it corrected. We had a 2-year party. Yeah, free money, blind bidding. Everyone thought they were Chip and Joanna. That wasn't normal. What's happening now, this is normal. It's balanced, it's healthy, and honestly, it's a breath of fresh air for people who've been priced out or burnt out. If you're buying, this is your moment to breathe, shop, and actually think before signing. If you're selling, this is your time to stand out with quality and strategy, not just luck. I'll give you the real game. Buyers markets don't last forever. This is the window. This window where you can still get deals, still negotiate, still breathe. It's probably 9 to 12 months. Once rates drop back into the fives, the floodgates open again. And all those people who said, we're waiting for the market to crash, they'll be back, fighting over listings again. So you can either act now while it's quiet or wait till it's loud again. Your call. Look, Austin's not dead, far from it. It's just finally acting like a grown-up market again. And for the folks willing to move strategically, buyers, sellers, investors, this could be the most profitable year you've had in a long time. The key is knowing how to play the game as it changes. Because the rules aren't the same anymore, but the opportunities, they're bigger than ever. If you got value out of this, hit the thumbs up, drop a comment below. Tell me if you're buying, selling, or just window shopping for now. And if you want weekly Austin updates that cut through the hype and keep it real, hit subscribe. This is Jeff Riberty with JT Real Talk, where we keep it honest, keep it local, and keep it profitable. I'll catch y'all next time.